Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Violet_Carl. On today's video, we outside going to the beach. So on our way, we have a beautiful environment. As you can see guys, the road is so clear. The palm trees, yes. So guys, we have beautiful palm trees over here, as you can see. Wow, very beautiful. And so guys, for those who don't know more about Nyali Beach, it's always unpopulated. Its waters are both safe and peaceful. It offers plenty of opportunities like swimming, skating, boat riding. Others also go there and play football. So, the distance between Mombasa and Nyali Beach is 9 kilometers. You can decide to have a tuk-tuk or by taxi or by matatu. It depends with what you have in your pocket. As you can see, we have palm trees. They're so beautiful. Yes, white sand. And yes, anyone can access Nyali Beach and it's always open for everyone, free of charge. So guys, let nobody cheat you that if you go to Nyali Beach, you are going to pay. Any beach that is around Mombasa and it is public, you can access to go. So guys, I decided to come with my family to spend time at the beach. There's a lot of wind and people are really enjoying themselves. Yes guys, as you can see, others were playing football, others were swimming, and I was just there recording. I was just having fun, but I didn't go to swim because there's a lot of wind and the water was, I could feel cold. So I was just there having fun and enjoying the beautiful view, eating things like crepes, biscuits. Yes.